Hey guys, good morning. It's happy Sunday to everyone. Day off natin ngayon guys. Kakalabas ko lang. At exactly 12:16. So mag-lunch muna ako guys at sabi ni Ate Donalyn is magtambay kami sa library. So nakapag-black outfit ka at tatambay ka sa library. Okay lang yun. Tipid-tipid. Kasi guys, sa October marami tayong holidays. So, September pa lang, magtipid na. Kasi guys, 7, bali, kasama yung, statutory is 3 plus 5, 4 na Sunday. So, 7. Ay, ayun. Kain lang ako guys sa pill shop. Meron pa akong meatloaf kagabi na natira is bibili na akong kanin at yun yung ulamin ko. Siyempre guys, dala ko yun. We are going down. Ito guys sa itaas, second floor.